This is question 2 from the 2022 Maths A2 Pure paper from CCEA. This one was on Monday the 6th of June. So let's take a wee look then. Question 2. So it says differentiate the following with respect to x, simplifying your answer where possible. So this here is a couple of things going on here. We're going to split this down here and use the product rule for that. We're going to take the u to be this and the v to be this. And then we have this one here, which is effectively a chain or a function of a function rule. But let's see what we go. So u is 3x, v is 2x plus 5 to the power of 4, du by dx is going to be 3, so just differentiating that, and then dv by dx, we're going to do this in one big lump. You might be comfortable doing that, but this is a function of function. You might want to let u equal less or something, or a different letter, and work it out, but we can do 4, so you bring the 4 to the front, put down the bracket, take away 1 from the power, and then times by the bracket differentiated. So 2x differentiated, then it's just going to be times 2. So that tidies, it gives us 8 upon 2x plus 5 all cubed. So let's see what we have. So our formula then for dy by dx is going to be u dv by dx plus v du by dx. So u is 3x, and then dv by dx is going to be 8 upon 2x plus 5 cubed plus v du by dx, so that's then just going to be 3 upon 2x plus 5 to the power of 4. They did say to simplify stuff, so we need to do a wee bit of tidying here. I'm going to multiply the 3x by the 8, so it's 24x upon 2x plus 5 cubed plus 3 upon 2x plus 5 to the power of 4. And then, well, suppose that we can sort of leave it like that if we wish, that's fine. The other thing you could do is then kind of factorise out the 2x plus 5 cubed, but I think they're probably happy enough with that, with things then being simplified. So on then to part 2. X minus 7, 5x squared plus 4, and again, very like the first one, we're going to use the quotient rule then for this one. So u we have to let equal to x minus 7, and v then is 5x squared plus 4. du by dx is 1. dv by dx, if I differentiate this here, just gives me then 10x. So my formula for the quotient rule, again, you're given this, it's in a slightly different format than what I'm going to say, it's a slightly different form in the formula book, but that's okay. So it's going to be v du by dx minus u dv by dx all over v squared. So the v is 10x, I lost my mind there for a second. The v isn't 10x, the v is 5x squared plus 4 times du by dx, which is just 1, so this is going to be a 5x squared plus 4, that's okay. Take away u dv by dx, so that's going to be then the 10x upon x minus 7, and that's all over v squared, which is 5x squared plus 4, then all squared. I'm going to tidy up the top line, and then we'll probably just leave it then like that. So tidying the top line gives me 5x squared plus 4 minus 10x squared, and be careful here that minus times a minus, so then that's going to be plus 7. Let me see where we have that. Sorry, plus 70x. Goodness me, I'm having a shocker here. That's all over again 5x squared plus 4 all squared, and then tidying that up, 5x squared minus 10x squared gives me minus 5x squared plus 70x plus 4 all over 5x squared plus 4 all squared. Finally then on to part 3. So this is a function of function, but kind of there's a wee function of function kind of within that as well. So I don't know if we can kind of jump straight away to what the answer is going to be, but it was a bit like our part 1. We're going to bring that 5 to the front, and then 1 plus ln 3x, and take away 1 from the power, and then we're going to multiply it by this differentiated. So how do we differentiate this? Again, you might want to use function of function for that. So you could take this wee bit off to the side, for example. So you could have u is ln 3x, sorry, y is ln 3x, and then y is ln u, where u then is 3x, and work it out. Whatever way you work it out, whenever you do this, it's going to be multiplied by 3 over 3x. So that kind of cancels itself out. The 3's in are going to go, and then you kind of 5 over x here. So 5 over x, 1 plus ln 3x, all to the power 4. Hopefully you're good with what I've just done there. I don't know if it's a wee bit messy. So we times by, so what do? We bring the 5 to the front, take away 1 from the power, and we times them by the bracket differentiated. Differentiate the 1, it disappears. Differentiate ln 3x. You can do it over here. I've done a very quick version of it, but you get 3 over 3x. Those 3's cancel, so we have 1 over x here, times the 3 by the 5, and you get 5 over x there, and that's you.